The RK S108 Typewriter Keyboard combines a nostalgic typewriter design with modern mechanical blue switches to provide a satisfying typing experience. This keyboard stands out with its dynamic RGB backlighting, offering up to 168 LED modes to enhance your gaming atmosphere. The detachable wrist rest and sturdy aluminium alloy panel offer ergonomic comfort and durability during extended gaming sessions. With its full-size 108-key layout and anti-ghosting feature, it ensures every keystroke is registered even during intense gameplay. This versatile keyboard is compatible with a wide range of systems including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and requires no additional drivers. The ability to swap between vintage typewriter and standard keycaps allows for a personalized typing experience to suit your style.